Ready to join the Medicare network and provide care to millions? Here's a detailed breakdown of the credentialing process, making Medicare onboarding a smoother journey. While the exact requirements may vary depending on your business type and specialty, here's a general roadmap for successful Medicare credentialing. To start off, here's the list of documents and information required for credentialing a practice. An active national provider identifier, CAQH identification and authentication. Legal business name. Tax identification number. Business structure, incorporation date and state. State license information. Certifications. Ownership information. Practice location information. Electronic funds transfer documentation. Gathering and submitting all this information can be a time-consuming process. There are additional requirements depending on your specific situation, and any mistakes can cause delays. Don't go through the hassle alone. Let eClinicAssist take care of the grunt work for you, so you can focus on your patients. With careful preparation and the right choices, you can become a Medicare provider and make a difference in the lives of millions. Visit www.eClinicAssist.com for more info on Medicare credentialing.